Hey, what's up everybody? It's Yelo Autosports. Today is Sunday, 8 p.m. We're flying out to California Tuesday morning right away. I need to pack my bags. We're going to be tinting a car, doing paint corrections with ceramic coating in San Jose. In order to do that, I'm going to bring all my stuff with me. So we're going to bring basically a full detail shop of everything that I need with me. And in this video, I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm bringing with. These are all my tin tools. I got a couple different cards, easy reach, another hard card, little yellow turbo squeegee, razor blades. You get a whole bunch of them in here. I got a Blue Max squeegee. This is the final squeegee I use in order to tighten my windows down. I got dryer sheets in here, as well as some felt, which goes on the bottom of my cards. And a little bit of scratch pads. These are for cleaning back of windows, interior windows. And to shrink windows, which I'll need to do on the back window of the NSX, is I'm running my heat gun. So we just got a Porter cable heat gun. We're also bringing this with. We're gonna have extension cables over there, so I don't need to bring those, which saves me a little bit of weight. But I'm for sure bring a heat gun. So now we're moving on to paint correction. For paint correction, I got my skin grip light. These also have a magnet, which you can attach if you're going to put it on a mount. Super handy. And it's got a couple different color grades, which makes this really good for paint correction. And then what I've got for one that I can wear at all times is a headlamp. This was really cool as well. Nice thing about this one is that it's got a nice contour. It goes all around your forehead. Got a nice slight coverage. I can just wear this while I'm detailing. We got also a bunch of towels that I'm bringing. Towels are important in paint correction, as you don't want to use just any random rag. So what I do when I go out of town like this is I like to bring different combination of pads. And so just let me walk you through what I got here. I'm gonna have my softest pads, which are gonna be my finishing pads for polishing paint. That's strictly to make it as shiny as I can. These are gonna be more of your black pads. And I got two different patterns that I like to bring with me, just in case one works better than the other. And then these are much stiffer. However, they're really good for polishing as well. So basically I have three different types of polishing pads with me, and that just helps me in case one seems to work better than the other. I have a variety. When I'm doing jobs out of state like that, my time is really limited, so I need to be able to get things done quickly, and I can't waste time. Microfiber cutting pads and orange waffle pads. These are going to be my buffing pads. These are much stiffer. This one actually has long hairs, which creates a little bit more cutting power. So I'll bring 3 of these as well. Like I said, these are usually my go-to, and they will work almost all the time. You can always vary how much product you use on them, and you'll get different results. But these are almost always go-to. They cut quickly. They'll remove clear coat really fast and do the paint correction really easy. They burn a little faster, so you got to be a little bit more careful. But I like these because they make the job more efficient, faster. But if these are not efficient, we'll jump over to an orange pad. And so, like I said, like the other polishing pads, variety is key. But if we're gonna bring clay bar, we need that in order to clay the paint before we do any paint correction when we get there. We're also gonna bring painter's tape for automotive. This is 3M tape. This stuff's really nice. You can cover like door sills, any type of rubber, so that you don't have to paint correct on top of the bumper and cause any damage to the plastics. So these are important to come along with me. And then as far as product, we're bringing, for this job, I'm bringing different Meguiar's products. So we got 2 different cutting compounds, my Meg 100, my Meguiar's 110. These are both my cutting buffing compounds. And for polishing, I'm gonna go with, this is an M205 from Meguiar's as well. So my go-to products, I can usually figure out how to make this work, whether I need to use more product, less product, which pad. It's all about choosing the right combination. Every combination is different, and usually you'll figure it out as you go. As far as tools, what I'm bringing to do the job is, we got the Rupes Mini 2.5 inch pad. This one's real nice, dual action, coming with me. That one's for the small tight areas, which you'll have on SXs in most cars. And then my roof has Bigfoot 21. Much bigger throw. It's nice for big surface areas. Last but not least, we're bringing Crystal Serum Ultra 9-year ceramic coating by G Technique, my go-to. We've got my full suitcase packed. As you can see, tools and products are taking up all the space, so I gotta carry my stuff in my backpack. Yeah, that's about it. So we'll make our way to the airport on Tuesday morning, and we'll get on the plane, head out to, we're actually going to San Diego first. We'll visit a few shops out there, and then from there we'll go to Northern Cal and start doing some work. See you there.